The intensified campaign against illegal drugs has borne fruit anew. 6 suspects were apprehended and billions of pesos worth of shabu were seized from them in a raid conducted by government operatives in Subic, Zambales. We'll have more details of this report from Alvin Baltazar.
432 kilos of suspected high-grade shabu amounting to as much as more than 2 billion pesos got seized by the joint elements of the PNP Anti-Illegal Drugs Special Operations Task Force and the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency at Block 10, Lot 5 and 7, Barangay Santa Monica Subdivision, Subic, Zambales yesterday. 6 drug suspects got apprehended in the successful drug operation where they embedded a police asset to manage to infiltrate the activity of the drug syndicate. Suspects were identified as Joselito Escueta, Coronel Desierto, Emmanuel Erwin Tobias, Dennis Domingo, while the leader of the group, Albert Chin, and his driver, Romeo Manalo, tried to evade the apprehending authorities but eventually fell into the hands of FEDSOT and PIDEA operatives.
The raid resulted in the arrest of 4 suspects while in the act of loading into a van parked in the same residential house 432 kilograms of suspected shabu, placed inside 2 balikbayan boxes.
Meanwhile, authorities are looking into the possible connivance of the suspects with some unscrupulous authorities, making those involved in the illegal activity to successfully ship their stuffs in the Philippine territory, specifically in Subic.
Hindi tayo magbubulag-bulagan sa kung paano nakapasok yan dito. Nagawa ba dito yan? Or ipinasok yan, hinalo lang dito, hindi natin masabi talaga. Kaya kabahagi yan ng investigasyon.
On the other hand, the tipster who got instrumental in the successful anti-drug raid, according to FEDSOT and PIDEA, surely will become 2 million pesos richer as soon as he claims the multi-million reward money.
The computation is actually 75,000 pesos per kilo, assuming that it is 100% pure. But regardless of the purity, because it is 432 kilos, the amount that will be received is only up to 2 million pesos.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.